Conversation at the coffee shop. Hi, good morning. Can I have an iced latte, please?
Good morning. Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
No problem. Would you like it with regular milk or oat milk?
Regular milk is fine.
Great. Anything else for you today?
Actually, yes. Do you have any chocolate muffins left?
Let me check. Looks inside the display. Yes, we have 2 left.
Perfect. I'll take one.
All right. 1 medium iced latte and 1 chocolate muffin.
Yes, that's all.
Okay. Your total is $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a minute.
Thanks.
No problem. Please wait over there.
Conversation. Meeting someone new. Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Anna. I'm Leo. Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first time here at the park event?
Yes, it is. I just moved to the city last month. How about you?
Oh, really? I come here often. I live nearby.
That's nice. So, where are you from originally?
I'm from Indonesia. And you?
I'm from Brazil.
Wow, that's far. How long have you been in this country?
Almost 1 month. I'm still getting used to everything. New language, new weather, new food.
I understand. It takes time. If you need help with anything, just let me know.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
No problem. Are you studying or working here?
I'm studying English for now. I want to improve before I look for a job.
That's great. Good luck.
Thanks. Maybe we can hang out sometime and practice English together.
Sure, I'd like that. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the bus station.
Sure, it's close to here.
Great. How do I get there?
Just go straight, then turn left at the big supermarket.
Okay, straight and then left.
Yes. After you turn left, walk for 1 minute. The bus station will be on your right.
Got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Conversation at the supermarket. Excuse me, do you know where the milk is?
Yes, it's in aisle 5, near the yogurt section.
Oh, great. I couldn't find it anywhere.
Yeah, they moved it last week.
Ah, that explains it. Thanks a lot.
No problem. Let me know if you need help finding anything else.
I will. Thank you. Conversation at school or university. Hey, did you finish the homework for English class?
Not yet. It was really difficult, especially question number 3.
I know. I spent almost an hour on that one.
Seriously? I still don't understand it.
Wanna work on it together in the library?
Sure, that sounds great. Maybe we can finish it faster.
Yeah, and we can ask the teacher if we still don't get it.
Good idea. Let's go after lunch.
Conversation at the restaurant.
Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. I'll have the chicken soup, please.
All right. Would you like anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water is fine.
Great. Anything else? Maybe bread or salad?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Perfect. Your order will be out soon.
Talking about weather.
Wow, it's so hot today.
I know, right? I feel like melting.
I walked for 5 minutes and I was already sweating.
Same. I wish I brought an umbrella or a hat.
I hope it rains soon. The air feels so heavy.
Me too. A little rain would be perfect right now.
Or at least some wind.
Yes, anything to cool down a bit. Conversation at clothing store.
Excuse me, can I try this shirt on? Yes, of course. The fitting room is just over there on the left. Thank you. Do you think this size will fit me? It looks like it, but you can try a smaller size too if you want. Good idea. I'll take both. Sure. Let me know if you need a different color or style. Will do. Thanks again.
Conversation at the pharmacy. Hi, do you have medicine for a cold?
Yes, we do. This one works very well for cough and runny nose. Great! How often should I take it? Take 1 tablet 2 times a day, morning and evening.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, it's better to take it after you eat.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hope you feel better soon.
Talking with a friend. Hey, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to the beach with my cousins. We haven't gone in a long time.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, I'm excited. What about you?
I'm not sure yet. I might stay home and relax. Maybe watch a movie.
That sounds good too. Sometimes staying home is the best.
True. Maybe next weekend we can hang out.
Definitely.